The RoundView is a systems-based framework for sustainability thinking and learning. So what we've been doing here is running workshops for students and staff across the University of Manchester.
So we think with sustainability, we just think we need to reduce plastic or we need to reduce carbon emissions, but it's sort of talking about how can we do this ethically, how can we make this sustainable.
Seeing so many people from different disciplinary fields, different experiences, different ages come together today to just talk about sustainability and work through the issues together, that gave me a lot of hope.
What I really, really loved about it was it really made my brain have to shift in how it thought about things.
Yeah, I came in not really knowing what to expect, but it was wonderful.
I think everybody could benefit from this in terms of just learning something new, but also in terms of how to think about environmental solutions and environmental problems and how we as a society fit into it.